This is one of the best donut recipes that you can ever make. I assure you, I'll make it so easy and straightforward that even as a beginner, you will not struggle at all. Add in your flour into a bowl. We are using bread flour for this recipe. Your salt, your sugar, your yeast. You can see the ingredients and their measurement on the screen. Add in your warm water. Then we're going to go on now to either knead with our hands for 10 to 15 minutes, or you use your stand mixer to mix your dough for around 10 to 15 minutes. Add in your soft butter. I actually wanted to soften my butter, but it got a bit melted. But you're using soft butter, 50 gram. Go on now to knead it with your dough. And once you are done getting your butter incorporated into your dough, you can go on now to take out your dough out of your dough hook, or if you are kneading, place your dough in your bowl and get ready to proof. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, do subscribe, do like and share, do comment and tell me where you are watching from. You're going to grease your bowl with vegetable oil. This will make it easy for you to get your dough out of your bowl after proofing. Cover with your kitchen film and again your kitchen towel, keeping a warm environment to proof for 45 minutes to 1 hour. This is after proofing. You can see your dough has doubled in size. Punch your dough to release air. Get your dough together. This is very important. You just take out those air bubbles and air pockets in your dough. Do this and get your dough together on your properly floured surface. Make sure you take it easy while flouring your surface. Getting your dough together at this point is very important. It helps your dough to come out firm, and after cutting out your donut will also come out feeling or looking firm. Roll your dough till flat, not so flat. I really want my donut to come out being big and thick, so I'm not going to roll my dough to be so flat. You can either use any round, sharp cutter in your kitchen to cut out round dough. These are cookie cutters, and use your nozzle or even a bottle to cut out the hole at the middle, and your donut is ready. Or if you can get yourself a donut cutter, dip in flour and cut out your donut. It's so easy. Whichever one you have available, just make do with it. You just need a round dough with a knot in the middle. Cover and allow it to proof for around 15 to 20 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes into proofing time, start heating up your oil. You do not want your donut to overproof. You are frying at about 160 to 165 degrees Celsius. Once your oil is heated up to that temperature, go on now to place your donut in the oil, or apply a little bit of flour in your oil, and when it sizzles lightly, then place your donut in there. Once it's brown on one side, flip to the other side and your donut is ready. Remember, you are frying on a low heat, not on high heat. It will help you get the white line and help your donut to cook all the way through. You won't have the inside of your donut being raw. So this is after frying. This is the yumminess we got at the end of the day. You can enjoy your donut like this, or if you want sugar donuts, you can dip your donut in sugar or coat your donut in sugar and enjoy with your family. You can see how fluffy this donut is looking. Do follow Debbie's Kitchen for more.